Hello everybody, and oh my god. I was like that thinking for a little while, and now I have all of a sign of my face. Anyways, it will go away, don't worry. But anyways, so we are here today to see season 1 episode 3 of Orphan Black. So in the last episode we had Sarah impersonating Beth again to get out all of the thing with the board for the killing of the other woman in the line of duty, just because she needed the money that Art took and he wasn't going to give it back till she worked with the board, like everything was cleared. So that happened. It was super interesting. And then we had, most of all, Sarah finally meeting two of the other clones, because she went on a mission to retrieve briefcase from the German woman, the German clone, and now she is finally talking to the other two clones that are Ellison and Cosima. And Cosima is a name that I hate with all of my heart. In Italian, it sounds Cosima, and it's a really ugly name. I will never get over it. But anyways, we don't care. Let's just jump into the episode, because the final scene was her in front of Cosima and Ellison. So I want to know how this will start.
She was a cop. She had tools. If she couldn't cope, then I mean... Look, just give us the briefcase that you got from the German.
I'm not giving you shit till you give me some answers.
You don't
Wow.
want answers. We're clones. We're someone's experiment and they're killing us off. Is that helpful?
Wow. Her face. I love this so much. Oh my god. But this is brutal. This was brutal, but it was needed. It was needed. I think it was needed.
I wanted to flip that whole clone thing a lot softer.
Dun dun dun. But there is an original one, though. Maybe she is the OG. Will we ever know? I don't know. This guy is so beautiful. Holy shit.
Well, this is a neighborhood watch block, so...
I love this. Oh my god, will he see everyone like them? Oh my god.
Identical. Or whatever. It's actually kind of cool.
Oh my god.
Super.
Holy shit. The other one, it will go with the pistol.
What are you doing in my yard?
Do not shoot me, please!
Wow. Man, he was going into her house like that. Fuck you, I will shoot you. No, I won't, but fuck you. Wow. Wow. Feelings the best.
Dreadlock science geek Sarah. Arguably more attractive than a real Sarah.
Yeah, thank you.
How can it be that? Saying it's life or death. You can't just ignore it.
Yes, I can.
No,
I'm
you
just me.
can't.
We get Kira and we get as far away from all this as possible.
That is a good plan, though. I will run away as well. Wow, she will be back on duty now. This will be interesting. She doesn't even know how to do that. This is so bad. She doesn't know anything about police life, work, shit like that.
55, heading for the 1045. Roger. Out.
Copy.
This is so bad.
What?
Something is off. The body? Did they find the body? Oh my god. This will be glorious.
Body's chewed up pretty bad.
Holy shit.
Didn't realize they were burying a body next to an active court.
Pretty good tire print over there. Now this would be your industrial sausage maker.
Oh my
Nice one on
god.
the hand, though.
Reconstructing the face is gonna be tough.
Man, and they didn't do the prince thing on the other lady. This is so stupid.
I need to make a call. Yeah. One sec.
Something is wrong.
But if one of us had a criminal record here, do you have a criminal record?
This is so fucking funny. Everything is going wrong. But everything is wrong as well. The fucking prince, the first dead. Why? Wow.
Ballpark 2-3 days, see who's missing.
This is weird. He knows something is really, really, really wrong. This is weird. Let's see how it goes now between these two.
Fingerprint? Hey,
Look, if you ask me about that money one more time, Beth, I swear to God, it's going in the shredder.
Ah, poor. Nothing is going how she planned. Well, I don't think she planned this from the beginning. My God, she's so beautiful.
driver's licenses in North America. 2 matches.
You and Sokka, bitch.
Yes, right. We lost our cop, so however you managed to get into her shoes, we really need you to stay there.
Oh my God, really?
If we're genetically identical, do you get that little patch of dry skin between your eyebrows?
That's good. Try to keep your sense of humor. Beth couldn't.
Oh my God. This must be so hard. Oh my God, she's finding herself into fucking bad situation. I want to know who the original is as well. Oh my God, this is so interesting. And that now I want to know what will happen with the fucking fingerprints.
She expired at Ellenside Park.
Wow.
So what, Stephen Hawking did it?
What that means.
Okay, look, I'll see you in a bit, okay?
This is interesting. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nightmare. PTSD. Fatal success.
She's a fucking idiot. Oh my God. But this guy is so cute. Please help her. Why she act like that? Just ask me. Don't be all weird.
It's all good. Nothing anyway.
Don't do that again, Childs.
I don't know, Art. You think someone's jerking your chain?
Like that. This is going to be interesting.
You get away with Kira.
Take her on the run with you. Brilliant.
She's
You
right
person
though.
Jaguar do not a mother make. You could visit any other approach and I will stop lying to social services for you.
You wouldn't do that to Kira.
No. I do to you.
Wow. This is so hard, poor girl. But, I mean, the other woman is right. It's the best for the kid.
He wants me on the range tomorrow. I've never even fired a gun. All right, well, just hold tight. We know somebody who can help with that.
You serious? If you are.
Oh my
We got a
god.
motorcycle tread over here, Art.
They are trying to teach her how to shoot a gun. This is going to be funny. I mean, it's not, it's stressful, but it's funny at the same time.
Yeah, I got something over here.
Will they find... Holy shit. Fuck. That was the doll. Without the head.
I may have a solution.
Haha, is he going to the babysitter?
Does your daddy have a drinks trolley?
What's that?
Don't worry, I'll find it.
I'll dress up like a boy.
We can work with that.
I love this. This is so cute.
Sorry, I'm at the doctor. My phone's about to die.
Okay, I'll get someone to do it.
Thanks, Raj.
Poor guy.
Someone is covering up their illegal experiments by wiping us out. Well,
Wow.
whatever it is,
That is, oh my god, I wanna know more. For fuck's sake, please tell me the tea. Spill the tea right now.
so Beth taught me how to shoot.
This is
For that, I
cool.
am grateful to her. But I fail to see how someone like you can fill Beth's shoes.
Oh
Truth
my
is, I barely knew
god.
Beth. She was discreet. She didn't bring her foster brother to my house.
I didn't know
Oh,
the rules
wow.
of Clown Club, did I? Can you not use the C word?
Allison is weird, but I love her. Ooh.
We made a decision to trust you.
Really?
Sarah, this is my life now, and I'm doing the best I can.
Poor lady. She's
So
really
Beth
trying.
Had, so, can you con her bank or not?
That is their money. Oh, fucking shit. I don't know what she will do. I mean, I think she will be involved in all of this, or the show will be ending right now. But wow. Poor lady, everything is happening.
We're cross-dressers.
No, you are not.
Not you.
Oh, you're back.
This is so funny.
Don't go.
Adios, dragsters.
They love him.
Wow, okay. Shit.
Oh my god, is Paul back? God, fantastic. But that shirt that Felix is wearing, it's amazing. I want that.
Well, I think you're being a bitch. I'm the bigger person here. I need to change the clothes.
I've been reinstated.
Oh my god.
I mean, seriously, where are we going with this?
Oh my god, Felix will feel amazing. I love this. Poor Felix.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the body dump doesn't match the professional hit.
Exactly.
Okay.
I got something. We may as well see if the tires match.
Everything is so fucking complicated, but it's exciting.
Looks like it.
She must be so fucking tense. Oh my god, can you imagine? She doesn't know anything. This must be a nightmare. Oh my shit.
Bibles, dolls. This perp's got some deep-seated spiritual problems.
Oh fuck, oh my god. She saved his life. And now she's scared like a... She's not ready for this. Look at her. She's not ready. She's not ready. Oh my god, poor lady. This is the first day on the job. Without training. Oh my god, this is so bad. Can you imagine the nightmare? She's not ready for this, for fuck's sake.
Abandoned buildings here.
Oh fuck! It's a nightmare, it's a fucking nightmare. Oh fuck, no!
I'm not bad.
Holy shit, another one! Wow! Who is this?
Who are you?
Wow! This is painful! Fucking painful! She's lucky. What is this shit? Who is this lady? Oh my god, it's another... I love this one. She's a psycho, but it's super cool with their motorcycle. Oh, the money! He's giving the money back. I love this man. Please, can we keep him? What are you going to do now? Oh. She's going to see her child with her face like that. Okay, no, she just wanted to look at her, I guess. Yes, she's in good hands, please. Solve your problems before involving the child, please. I love these two. Holy shit! What the fuck is that, Rambo? Okay, Houston, we have a fucking problem! Wow! Okay, so that was interesting! Who is this one? Wow! I remember I saw a few pictures of her, but I forgot. But now that I'm seeing her in the show, I remembered. I don't remember the name though. Elana, something like that. I am guessing. I don't remember the name. But wow, the fucking scars on her back, like the wings on her back. Wow. I hope she will do the right thing. I think she will do the right thing. She knows that she can't go back to her child before she understands what is happening. I mean, she could go and run away and try to run away with the kid, but what kind of shitty life would be that? With the other woman now, she's having better chance for a normal life, Kira. I mean, so I guess she will take the chance to solve everything that is happening. Wow. And a lot is happening. I love art. I hope she will stay in the show, even because they kind of work well together. And I don't know. Can you imagine being like her first day on the job for real and all of that happened? That was a lot. And I like the other guy that she involved, like I don't remember, Raji, something like that. He was so cute. I don't know if we will ever see him ever again, but I don't know. We will see. And I don't know, so many clones. There are 4 already, plus 2 others that were dead. So, like, they are 6 already. Plus, we saw the picture of the one from Rome, so there is that too. How many are there? I want to know how many clones are out there. And I want to know why they are killing them now. Like, what was the experiment about? What did they want to know? And why now was the right time to end it and get rid of everything? So many questions. And we are just at episode 3, so I guess with time we will know what is happening. Oh my god, please. I hope everyone will be fine. I know probably some of these ladies will die because they can't all survive the show. Please, just don't kill Felix. And I want to know if Paul will be back in the picture. Like, I like the guy, he's weird, but I don't think he is a bad guy. I want to know what if he will ever know that Beth is dead. Can you imagine having that discussion? I don't want. Maybe it's better if he will never come back to the show. But anyways, that will be all for this video. So let me know what you think. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Come visit me on my social media on Instagram and Twitter at Reppy85, and I will see you with the next one. Ciao a tutti!